This is a quick video to show you how to connect a male connector to a hose that was cut like this. So this hose was cut, I don't remember why, but I have this connector which is only about $2 from Home Depot. So you can reuse this hose with this connector so that you can use it as an extender or extension garden hose. So first, as you can see, this is not straight. You would have to make sure that we repair this by cutting it straight, and see, sometimes when you try to repair it, it's still not working correctly. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it completely and try to make a flat cut. So that's as flat as I can, and so now I'm going to remove this head using a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, one of them is already removed. Here's the screw, and we're just going to slip this side in like that. May need to struggle with this a little bit. Maybe give it a twist. I forgot, this is actually easier. Should have done this where should have dipped it in soapy water so that it'll be able to slide easily. Actually, I think I'm going to remove it, dip it in water, and I'll be back. Okay, we're back. So I dipped it in a little bit of soap, and we're going to try it again. Yeah, definitely a lot easier with the soap. So almost got it in. So just about another 1/4 of an inch. Just keep working it in. The twisting action definitely helps. So this part is critical. Please make sure you take your time so that the hose goes all the way in. I'm twisting counterclockwise. It's best to just keep twisting in one direction. As you can see, it's right now all the way in. There you go. Okay, so now that you got the hose all the way up the barb connection, that's called the barb connection when you have that wedge shape. Okay, I'm kind of exhausted, sorry. Okay, then you just put the collar back on. Remember, the screw goes, one goes on this side and one goes from this side. So just try to connect it correctly. So there's one male and one female, and so there's only one way that this can go on. So just make sure it goes on correctly. That you put back. And this collar is supposed to go, it doesn't go all the way up, I don't think. Let me see. Yeah, you see that the way that this is designed, the barb is actually in the middle, so you shouldn't put the collar all the way to the front. The collar actually should be right about there. Yeah, right about there is perfect. So try to tighten it where, don't tighten one side all the way, tighten both of them equally So just like I did screw in that side, and I haven't finished screwing it yet, and I switch over, did the other side, and then now I'm doing this side, and then I switch over and I'm doing this side until you can't tighten it anymore. There you go. Just tighten it as much as you can without breaking the collar. There. Okay, that's what it looks like, and this should not leak because there are several barb holders inside, and it's all squished in with this particular collar. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this is useful. This is a very cheap way to repair the hose. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. I do create a lot of do-it-yourself video just like this, and when you subscribe, you'll be notified when I make new videos about different do-it-yourself projects. Thank you.